In the bustling city of Mumbai, India, a pack of stray dogs roamed the streets in search of food, shelter, and safety. Led by the wise and fierce Alpha, the pack consisted of a variety of dogs, each with their own unique personality and story. There was Rocky, the scrappy and street-smart terrier who had survived on the streets since he was a puppy. Then there was Luna, the gentle and loyal golden retriever who had been abandoned by her owners and left to fend for herself. And finally, there was Max, the young and curious Labrador who had gotten lost from his family and was now a member of the pack. Despite their difficult circumstances, the pack had formed a tight-knit family and worked together to survive. They knew the ins and outs of the city, from the best places to scavenge for food to the safest spots to sleep at night. But their lives were thrown into chaos when a new dog arrived on the scene. Shadow was a massive and intimidating Rottweiler who had been abandoned by his owner and had developed a taste for aggression and dominance. Shadow quickly established himself as the leader of a rival pack and began encroaching on the territory of the stray dogs. The pack found themselves constantly on edge, never knowing when Shadow and his gang would attack. As tensions mounted, the pack realized they needed to take action to protect themselves and their home. They came up with a plan to lure Shadow and his pack into a trap, using their knowledge of the city to outsmart them. The plan worked, and Shadow and his pack were defeated. But the victory came at a cost. Luna was badly injured in the fight and needed urgent medical attention. The pack rallied around Luna, using all their resources and connections to get her the help she needed. And as Luna recovered, the pack realized just how much they meant to each other. In the end, the pack continued to roam the streets of Mumbai, facing new challenges and adventures together. They may have been stray dogs, but they were a family, bound by their love and loyalty to each other. The Stray Life is a story of resilience, courage, and the power of family, both human and canine. Follow the pack as they navigate the dangers of the city and find hope and happiness in the most unlikely of places.